Killed, 2 others seriously injured after a car traveling south veered into northbound traffic in Everett. It happened around 11:30 this morning on 19th Avenue Southeast, just past the Costco. KOMO's Claire Weber spoke with witnesses who watched that deadly crash happen.
I saw it when I was walking by. I saw the whole thing happen.
People walking along 19th Avenue Southeast in Everett were just feet away from a deadly 4-car crash.
Yeah, it was very loud. It was quite crazy to see.
Everett police say a car veered into oncoming traffic, hitting multiple other vehicles before flipping and hitting a pole. All 3 passengers were trapped inside before an elderly man and woman in the front seats were pronounced dead at the scene.
This is a severe and tragic collision.
3 other cars were hit and badly damaged throughout the street. Police confirm at least 2 more people were transported to a nearby hospital with serious injuries.
While the whole crash was happening, another Honda Civic got hit, and their whole front axle got screwed.
As Everett Police traffic safety detectives investigate the wrong-way crash, other factors like speed are still unknown.
I can't speak to the cause of the collision. I don't know how fast any of the vehicles were going, but I can say that the car that flipped was traveling southbound in the northbound lanes.
After Everett, fire and police were on scene for more than 4 hours. All cars were towed, reopening the intersection to traffic. In Everett, Claire Weber, KOMO News.